it's Rue here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon drop martini. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you will need to gather. Vodka, I'm using the Kettle One. Triple Sec, you could also use any other brand. I have this brand right here. Sugar, simple syrup, and the last is lemon. 5 items. To make this drink, grab these tools: ice, shaker, a bar spoon, a knife, a jigger, martini glass, and a plate. First step, let's take this martini glass and fill it up with ice and water. From here, set the glass aside so it can chill. Next, take this lemon and cut it in half. Also, cut a little section here to use as garnish. From here, set the lemon aside. Grab the jigger and pour 1.5 ounces of vodka in the shaker. Now, take the triple sec and pour 3/4 of an ounce in the shaker. Pour 1 teaspoon of simple syrup. I'm using the bar spoon for this. Take the lemon, squeeze it into the shaker. If you have a lemon squeezer, feel free to use that. I don't have one, which is why I'm just squeezing it with my hand here. Now that the liquids are in the shaker, we are going to add a little bit of ice. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid and shake. Grab a martini glass and pour out the ice and water. Take a piece of the lemon and squeeze it around the rim. I took the sugar out of the bag and placed it on this plate here. We will take this martini glass and dip the rim. We've created a nice sugar around the top of the glass. Last step is to pour the drink into the martini glass. We will then take our lemon and garnish. And there you go, lemon drop. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.